Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find nearby Snapchat friends on your Android phone using the Snap Map feature. It's super easy and fun to explore. First, open Snapchat and tap the location icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to open the Snap Map. If you're using it for the first time, Snapchat will ask for permission to access your location. Go ahead and allow it. Now, take a look at the map. You'll see colorful spots called hotspots. Those are areas where people are actively posting stories. Tap on any hotspot near your Bitmoji to check out what's happening around you. Swipe left or right to browse through different Snapchat stories from that location. If you find someone interesting, swipe up on their story. Next, go to the Creator tab to view that person's profile, then tap Subscribe to connect with them and to see more of their content. And if you're not seeing many hotspots near you, no worries. Just zoom out or move around the map to explore other areas nearby or even in other cities. That's it. Now you know how to use the Snap Map to meet new friends, discover local stories, and explore what's trending around the world, all from your Android. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks.